everyone. I hope you are all are doing good. Today we are going to see a code for swapping a number. Swap the two number. Okay. So what is basically we are going to do? Let's assume that we are having a number a equals to 10 and b equals to 20. Now, after the result, this is my input. Okay, this is my input. And after the result, after performing the operation, what I want to do, if I'm trying to print A, then my output should be 20. And if I'm trying to print B, then output should be 10, like this. So this is my output. That is called as a swap. So what we are going to do, B value we are going to assign to the A variable, and A value we are going to assign to the B variable. So that is basically a swap. Okay. So we'll do one thing over here. We'll simply create two variables. Okay, so I'm going to create A equals to 10 over here and B equals to 20. Okay, after doing this, if I'm trying to print A, then the value of A is 10, and if I'm trying to print B, then the value of B is 20. Yes, definitely. But now I want to swap the number. So for swapping the number, what I'm going to do, I will create simply a third variable. Okay, so I'm going to create a third variable over here. Now what I'm going to do, A value I am putting inside the C. So how I'm going to do this? So C equals to A. So A value we are going to put in C. After that, we move this 20 into the A value. So A equals to B. So B value 20 we are going to put in A. And after that, whatever C value we are having, we are going to store this in a B. So B equals to C, like this. Okay. So we'll do the same code. C equals to A, then A equals to B, then B equals to C. Simple. Okay, I already explained you what is it. So I guess you got it, right? So if I'm trying to execute this, the code is correct. Now see, if you try over here to try like print A, then the output is 10. Now we are trying to print A over here, and let's see what is the output. So see, the output is 20. And after swapping it, if I'm trying to print the value of B, and what is the value of B? It's A. So it means that we already swapped the number. If you can see over here, our A value is 20 and B value is, A value is 10 and B value is 20, right? But after that, you can see here, our A value is 20 and B value is 10, right? So basically, we swap the number. Okay. There is another way also to do the same thing. I guess you already, we already know that there is a method multi-assignment. So A comma B equals to 10 comma 20. Now, what is the meaning of this? A value is 10 and B value is 20. Whatever we are going to do over here, the same thing I did over here in a single line only. So after that, if you try to print A value, then what is the A value? It is a 10 again. And what is the value of B? So it is a 20. Okay. Now I want to swap the number. So I'll simply do one thing. A comma B equals to B comma A. Okay. After that, see again, if I'm trying to print A value, then it is again B. And if I try to print B, then it is a 10, right? So by using here, see what we are going to do. So here we have did what? A comma B equals to B comma A, right? Over here, first of all, understand A comma B equals to 10 comma 20. Now what is meant? With this value we are going to assign to A and this value we are going to assign to B. By the same thing, now A value is 10 and B value is 20 according to this statement. Now what we are going to do? We are going to assign B value to the A. Now what is the B value? B value is a 20. So 20 we are going to assign to that A and 10 we are going to assign to that B. So as like this only, we are able to swap the number, and that is the another way to swap the number. Okay, yeah, that's it. Thank you guys.